Which satyagraha is known as the first non-cooperation movement of Gandhi? Option number B, Kheda. Next question. Who was the prominent leader who joined Gandhi during the Kheda Satyagraha? Option number B, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The Rawlett Act was passed based on the recommendation of which committee? Option number C, Sedition Committee. The Rawlett Act 1919 authorized the government to detain people without trial for up to 2 years. Which fundamental right was suspended by the Rawlett Act? Option number C, habeas corpus. Next question. What is the date of the Jallianwala massacre? Option C, 13th April 1919. Who was the Lieutenant Governor of Punjab during the Jallianwala massacre? Mitchell O'Dyer. Rabindranath Tagore denounced his knighthood in protest against. Option number C, Jallianwala massacre. The Hunter Committee was appointed to investigate. Option C, Jallianwala massacre. Question number 10. Who was the Indian member of the Hunter Inquiry Committee? Option number A, Sardar Sahibzada Sultan Ahmad Khan. The Khilafat Committee was formed in 1919 by which brothers? Option number B, Shaukat Ali and Muhammad Ali. In which year was the non-cooperation movement officially launched? Answer 1920. Which event led to the immediate withdrawal of the National Cooperation Movement by Gandhi? Answer option C, Chauri Chaura incident. The Chauri Chaura incident took place in which present-day state? Answer Uttar Pradesh. After non-cooperation movement, which two leaders formed the Swaraj Party? Answer option B, Chittaranjan Das and Motilal Nehru. The No Changers group after National Cooperation Movement was led by. Answer number C, C. Rajagopalachari and Rajendra Prasad. The Simon Commission was appointed in which year? Answer option A, 1927. Question number 18. who was the chairman of the All Parties Conference that drafted the Nehru Report? Option number B, Dominion status. Which Indian leaders died during the protest against the Simon Commission? Option number B, Lala Rajput Rai. Who among the following was a member of the Simon Commission and later became PM of Britain? Option B, Clement Attlee. The 14 points were presented by Jinnah as a rebuttal to option C, Nehru Report. The historic Lahore session of the Indian National Congress was presided over by option C, Jawaharlal Nehru. When was the tricolor first hosted on the bank of the Ravi River? Answer option C, 31 December 1929. The resolution of Purna Swaraj was passed in which year? Option number B, 1929. Which day was celebrated as the first Independence Day by the nationalists? Option B, 26th January 1930. Who were two younger nationalist leaders dissatisfied with the Dominion status? Option B, Nehru and Bose. The communal electorate system was first introduced by the Act of option A, 1909. Which movement involved the Akali movement and tea plantation strikes in Assam? Non-cooperation movement. Which British officers' actions were described as inhuman but supported by the House of Lords? Option A, General Dyer. In response to the Rowlatt Act, Gandhi called for a mass protest known as Rowlatt Satyagraha on which date? Option B, 6th April 1919. Which British military commander was responsible for the Jallianwala massacre? Option number A, General Dyer. The British government responded to the non-cooperation movement by declaring which body illegal? Option number B, Congress Voluntary Corps. Martial law was imposed in Punjab on which date in 1919? 10th April. During the Rowlatt Satyagraha, Gandhi was arrested while trying to enter which state? Option A, Punjab. Who were the two main leaders of the Khilafat Committee formed in early 1919? Option B, Shaukat Ali and Muhammad Ali. Next question. What was the primary demand of the Khilafat Committee regarding the Sultan of Turkey? Option number B, retention of Sultan's control over sacred place. The Lucknow Pact of 1916 is mentioned as a key factor for political unity between Congress and Muslim League. Option number B. Which group of society played a crucial role in the non-corruption movement in Awadh, Malabar and Punjab? Answer option number B. Peasant and workers. The Simon Commission consists of how many members? Option number B. 7. Who was the Secretary of State for India who challenged Indians to draft their own constitution? Option number B. Lord Birkenhead. The Simon Commission recommended the abolition of which system? Diogenes provisions. Option number B. Which region did the Simon Commission suggest separating from India? Option number B. Burma. The Simon Commission recommended the separation of Sindh from which provisions? Option number B. Bombay. The Nehru report rejected which of the following? Option number B. Separate electorate. How many fundamental rights were proposed in Nehru report? Option number B. 19. Which leader was not a part of the subcommittee that drafted the Nehru report? Option number C. Mahatma Gandhi. The Nehru report suggested the creation of provinces based on option number B. Language or linguistic. Genus 14-point demand. What percentage of the representation for Muslim in the central legislature? Option number B. 1/3. The शेष question. Which organization opposed the Nehru report because it advocated for Muslim majority provinces? Option number B. Hindu Mahasabha. ଏମିତି ଭିଡ଼ିଓ ପାଇବା ପାଇଁ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ଲାଇକ୍ ସେୟାର ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ କରନ୍ତୁ।